If you never tried but want to start making Irish lace motifs, I will teach you 2 simple ones today that are great for beginners. Let me know if you find any difficulty in making them and if you would like me to continue making these short educational tutorials in the comments below. Even though Irish lace is originally made from very fine yarn, to make the process simpler, I will be using a 4.5 mm hook and acrylic yarn, 280 meters in 100 gram. Make a first loop. Chain 10. Then form a circle by going into the very first chain with a slip stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, and go into the circle with 22 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 22. Now find our first stitch and make a slip stitch into it. For the reverse single crochet row, chain 1 and go into the previous stitch with single crochet. Try not to make them too tight. Cut the tail at the end and pull it through the first stitch. The second motif will be made from the small one. From this point, go to the first stitch from the front part and pull up the loop through the stitch. Chain 3, yarn over, go from the back side of the first stitch around the post and into the next stitch, then finish the double crochet. Chain 1. Make the second stitch in the same stitch and the next one, like back post double crochet. Repeat around. Join the row with a slip stitch to the third chain at the start. Go back around with reverse single crochet. Chain 1, and go back into each stitch and into the holes where we had chain stitches. Join with a slip stitch into the very first chain of the row. Chain 2. Go around the post with double crochet. Chain 1. Around the second post. Chain 1. Third, fourth, and around the fifth post, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet around the fifth post. Continue making 2 double crochet around the same post every fifth stitch. Chain 1 at the end of the row and join with a slip stitch to the third chain stitch from the start. Chain 1 and work reverse single crochet back.